mark it with a B, and put it in the oven for baby and me. Batter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and brick it and mark it with a B, and put it in the oven for baby and me.
Dewey, don't play with your food, sweetie. Remember what we taught you?
My ABCs?
No.
My 1, 2, 3s?
No, Dewey.
I think it's time for a little reminder about the way we should eat our dinner, Dewey. Use your spoon.
Use your spoon
To eat your soup.
to eat your soup.
Make sure it's not too hot.
Make sure it's not too hot.
Slurp it up.
Slurp it up. Chew your food.
Chew my food.
Munch, munch, munch.
Munch, munch, munch.
Chew it till it's tiny.
Chew it till it's tiny.
Swallow it down.
Swallow it down.
Not your fingers.
Not my fingers.
Use your fork.
Use my fork.
Scoop up your veggies.
Scoop up my veggies.
There you go.
There I go.
Drink your water.
Drink my water.
Not too fast.
Not too fast.
Take a little sip.
Take a little sip.
That's the way.
That's the way.
Dewey, watch what I'm doing. Use your napkin.
Use my napkin.
Not your sleeve.
Not my sleeve.
Wipe around your mouth.
Wipe around my mouth.
Now you're done. Now you're done.
Wait a minute, Dewey. You're not quite finished yet.
What now?
After dinner,
After dinner,
wash your hands.
wash my hands.
Rinse your fingers.
Rinse my fingers.
Now you're clean.
Now I'm clean. Wow, there's so much to remember.
Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns.
Well, kids, it's Saturday.
You know what that means? Ice cream day!
Yay!
Off we go, oh off we go, to the fair, off we go. Time to
It's ice cream, don't you know? Chocolate, strawberry, one for you and one for me. So many for us to try, just you wait and see. Ice cream day, our favorite kind of day. If you love ice cream too, come along, have a scoop. Ice cream day, we love to eat and play. If you love ice cream too, let me hear you say, yeah!
Mom, can I please have chocolate ice cream and sprinkles?
Of course!
And vanilla with strawberry syrup for me, please.
Sounds yummy!
Ice cream man, oh ice cream man, you're the best ice cream man. Can we have our favorites, please? I really hope we can.
Vanilla with strawberry, I would like that for me.
And for me, chocolate with sprinkles, please.
Ice cream day,
our favorite kind of day. If you love ice cream too, come along, have a scoop. Ice cream day, we love to eat and play. If you love ice cream too, let me hear you say, yeah!
Hey, Mom and Dad, don't you want ice cream too?
Well, I guess a little wouldn't hurt.
Ice cream man, oh ice cream man, you're the sweetest ice cream man. Now we'd like a little treat for Mommy and for Dad.
we can share cookie dough. Just one scoop in a cone, that would be enough for us, and so tasty.
Ice cream day, our favorite kind of day. If you love ice cream too, come along, have a scoop. Ice cream day, we love to eat and play. If you love ice cream too, let me hear you say, yeah!
Well, kids, it's home time.
Thanks, Mom and Dad.
For the best day ever!
Let's go take a dip in the swimming pool.
Would you teach us how to swim?
Yeah, that would be cool.
Yay!
First, let's learn to float, lying on your back. Like a boat, we float and float. Great, you've got the knack.
Yeah!
Swimming, swimming, time to hold your breath. Underwater,
Then come up again.
Good! I can blow bubbles! Me too!
Kick, kick, kick your legs, kick 'em up and down. Straighten your legs, point your toes. Good job, you know how.
Oh wow!
move, move, move your arms forward and around. Elbows up and reach and reach. Kids, you're swimmers now.
Yay!
Swimming, swimming in the swimming pool.
Congratulations, you look very cool.
Thanks!
This is so much fun!
Am I doing this right?
Very well, yes.
Swimming, swimming in the swimming pool. Congratulations, you look very cool.
Let's see how far we can go!
All around the pool!
This is great! Yeah! Swimming is amazing! Oh, I don't like the rain. I wish we could go outside and play. I have an idea. Hey, everybody, gather round. I would like to play a game. Hey, everybody, I'll show you how to play Peekaboo. Just put your hands up like this, right in front of your face. Now you're ready to play the game called Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, oh peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, oh peekaboo, you can see me too. Peekaboo, oh peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, oh peekaboo, and I really love you too. Hey everybody, this is fun. Now we all can play the game. Hey everybody, everyone can play Peekaboo. Let's put our hands up like this, right in front of our face. Now we're ready to play the game called Peekaboo. Peekaboo, oh peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, oh peekaboo, you can see me too. Peekaboo, oh peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, oh peekaboo, and I really love you too. I really love you too. That was fun. It sure was. Yeah.